So first you want to prep your lids with the lightest colour from the Wild Star palette. And I'm going to just take that all the way across Salome's lids. And if you've got any foundation on your lids, this will just help to mattify it and make it nice and even. I'm going to just take it underneath as well, just to brighten up around the eye like this. Next, you're going to take the deepest brown with a very fine brush and you're going to begin to wing out the line. I'm taking a flat brush here and I'm just going to begin to wing out this line, keeping it really nice and tight to the lid line. And then you're going to take the soft taupe and you're going to just blend that around the outer corner and across halfway and out into that line that you just made. You can just use your finger to soften it out at the very edge. So I'm just now taking that deeper colour and blending it into the taupe. Again, just working halfway across the lid. And then you want to come back to your light shadow and you really want to pack that in to the inner corner to really brighten up and open the eyes. Next, you're going to take this very, very bright pink and that's going to underline the eye and just give this eye makeup look something a little bit more special. And it's Valentine's Day, so we're going to use the pink. And I'm going to take a smaller brush here and I'm just going to work that pink into the brush and then I'm just going to sweep that across under her eye like this. And it's nice and vibrant, so it will really pick up against the browns that you used on the top lid. You can just gently brush away any little bits of pigment that come off. And I'm just going to wing it out a little bit at the corner as well. To amplify this pink, I'm going to use a white liner just on the waterline. Just look up for me. And that will help to open the eye and add a little bit more contrast as well. I'm doing that after I've done the pink makeup so that it's really, really punchy. Because if you do it before, you can end up getting a little bit of pink in that waterline and it not looking quite as vibrant. And I'm just flicking it round the inner corner like that. And then I'm going to take it just along the lash line as well, just about halfway across to help open up the eyes. Now I'm going to take the black from the Wild Star palette and I'm just going to pop a little bit just in the outside corner, literally the tiniest amount, and that will just help to intensify that lash. So just focusing it around the outer corner like this. Now you're going to take this colour, which is like a really nice soft kind of peachy pink and gold, and I'm just going to pop that on the inner corner of her eye as well. Blend it a little bit with my finger. That will just help to add a little bit of sparkle, and because you've added the white first, it just helps to kind of make that look even brighter, having that white underneath that colour. So next I'm going to add some mascara, and I'm going to focus the mascara on the outer corners of the lashes, and this will help to lengthen the eye even more. So I'm really going to just get right in there into the corner of the lash and only take it halfway across, because I just want to build up that kind of really beautiful sort of fake dolly lash effect. To do the lower lashes, I'm going to use a little fan brush just to get in nice and close to the lashes. So I'm just going to put some of the mascara on the fan brush, and then I'm going to just paint the outer lashes. Again, just focusing on the outside corner of the eye to really help extend that eye outwards. If your lashes are slightly shorter, it's really helpful to have one of these so that you can get really close to the lash line without smudging mascara, you know, on your face. Otherwise, you can always put a tissue, just a flat tissue on your cheek, and then you can also do your mascara that way. But this is much easier and saves a bit of time. So for Salome's cheeks and lips, I'm going to be using Flamingo because it's a really nice balm, sheery pink that you can actually use anywhere, and it adds a little bit of luminosity to the cheek when you're applying it. So I really love to just pop it on the cheek like you would a blush, and then you can either blend it in with your finger or you can blend it in with a brush. I'll use a finger today. You can see how natural a finish it gives, and it gives a little bit of a sheen, so it keeps the skin looking really, really beautiful and dewy. And I'm just keeping it quite high up on her cheekbones like this to help to kind of lift the face. And then for the lips, I'm going to begin by lining the lips with the Bluff Lip Liner. And it's just a nice fleshy nude that just adds a little bit more depth to the lip line and the lip shape. And it also, because of the kind of suede waxiness of the pencil, will work really well as a preventative for any bleeding if you're using like a gloss or a shiny product. So I like to use it because it actually stops the lipstick moving around and acts as a kind of barrier between the skin and the lip. And I love the shade because it's such a nice, beautiful, fleshy nude. So I'm actually just going to paint the entire lip with this shade. And then I'm going to take Flamingo and I'm going to pop it just into the center to add a little bit of glow to that lip shade. And you get a really beautiful 3D kind of effect happening there, where you just have all of the light centered around the middle part of the lips just to make them look really beautiful and juicy. I'm going to just pop a little bit of this beautiful reflective pigment just into the center of the lip here. And you can see that helps to just make that lip look really three-dimensional and glowy. And there you have a really beautiful pink themed Valentine's Day makeup using the Wild Star palette and the Flamingo from the Lips collection.